Today I would like to make a slow motion video with Adobe Premiere Pro. Now first, I'm setting up a new project. Slow motion test. Click OK. First thing, I'm setting up a new sequence. Right click, sequence. Would like to choose customer. 24 frames. US to 4K, so here is 3. $38.40. Screen pixels, no field, 24. Here I would like to choose the working color space. I would like to choose 2100 HLG. And video preview, I just would like to choose the 1920. Okay, the save as. ULTRA HD timeline 4K. And IEC 2100 HLG. Hit OK. Now we can see in the customer Ultra HD timeline 4K Rec 2100 HLG. Hit OK. Import videos. In my desktop. This video I have shot with my Nikon 850 and 14 to 24 millimeters. You can see I just hit up to nearly 13 FPS. First thing I would like to modify to 24 FPS. Okay. Then I drag this clip to the timeline. Here, ask if I would like to change the sequence settings. I keep existing settings. It's fine. Can take a look. Then just right click, show clip keyframe, time wrapping speed, and moving up this line. Just choose the point. The first point I would like to choose to here. Just at the point which the light is coming. Command click. Command click. Second point, just like command click. Second, I would just like to nearly the end. from here to the far away. So I would like to choose this point. Command click. The first, I would like to raise up to 400%. Okay. The second, I just get slower to maybe 60%. And set 400%. Last one. No, I didn't change. I don't want to change anything. Okay. Get a little curve. So we get a look at. Second point, we get enough slow motion. Okay. Then right click, time interpolation, optical flow, and hit Enter key. Render this clip. Just wait a moment. We'll see the result. This is the result. For this clip, I add a little color adjustment. First thing, I would like to choose the white balance. The clouds have blurred out. It doesn't help too much. because in this clip, the light is changing all the time. Okay, just let it.